M.C.E stands for Mentor, Coach, Empower. We believe that every young person can do anything they want if they receive the right kind of support.
I'm Ntambala Joseph. I make liquid soap and chalk.
Yeah.
I joined M.C.E in 2015 and I've learned different skills under M.C.E, like making books, gels, liquid soap and chalk. Before I joined M.C.E, I was doing nothing. I wasn't doing anything by then. I supply my chalk in schools and liquid soap also in schools. Plus people in my community also buy liquid soap for their use, like mopping, washing. But in monthly income it depends. Some months are not so good, others may be good. As long as the chalk don't go at once. Some people buy in carton, others buy in small boxes. But like in a month I can make like 300 to 4. In next 5 years, I'll make sure that my company goes up and I'll make sure that it will be registered completely.